Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Carmela and Carmel. I wish you always good health and any more birthday to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Carmela and Tita Carmel!
Hello, love and Carmela. I just want to greet you guys a happy 25th birthday. God bless you always, and I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come, and I just want you to enjoy your day.
Hello! Happy birthday, Carmel and Carmela. May you have more birthdays to come and wish you all the best in life. Enjoy!
Hello, Kambal. Kambal ko nga TikToker, dancer na, singer pa. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Good health. God bless you all.
Happy 25th birthday ng Mila and ng Carmel. Wishing you always good health and a year of chasing dreams. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, happy birthday Carmela and Carmel. God bless sa inyong adua.
Hi mga mana, happy birthday sa inyo duha. Thank you gid sa mga bulig kag mga advice. Stay safe
To ng Carmel and ng Carmela, happy 25th birthday. Wishing you both endless happiness and success. Hindi lang subong nga tuig, kundi sa bilog nyo nga kabuhi. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday mga murat. Hindi kalipat mga lipay ng happy birthday. God bless.
Sa duwa ko ka inaplos nga magahiwat sa ila birthday para boss kapid. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa inyo is always good health and stay sweet and loving. God bless.
Greetings! I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.